Hello students, today our topic is acceleration. So what is acceleration? Before that we will see some example. Suppose that you are in a stationary car that rapidly gain to speed. At that time you feel that some imaginary force push you against the seat. Now when you are applying brake, that some imaginary force push you ahead. Let's see some another example. You are in a car and taking extremely right turn. At that time you feel some imaginary force push you left. You take right turn and some force push you left. What was that? That is the example of acceleration. In simply, मान लो कि आप कार में बैठे हो और आपकी कार की वेलोसिटी अचानक से बढ़ती है, तो उस टाइम आप फील करोगे कि कुछ इमेजिनरी फोर्स आपको पीछे की ओर पुश कर रहा है। और अचानक से अगर आपने अपनी कार का ब्रेक अप्लाई किया तो कुछ फोर्स आपको आगे की ओर धक्का देगा। ये सब एग्जांपल है एक्सेलरेशन के। अब हमें पता है देयर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन: पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन, नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन एंड जीरो एक्सेलरेशन। नाउ व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन? Acceleration is taken as positive if it is in direction of motion. अगर एक्सेलरेशन और डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी सेम है तो हम उसे बोलेंगे पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन। अब नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है? एक्सेलरेशन टेकन एज नेगेटिव इफ इट इज अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी। मतलब एक्सेलरेशन और वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन अगर अपोजिट है तो हम उसे बोलेंगे नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन। अब जीरो एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है? We all know that the acceleration happened when velocity will change. In zero acceleration, there is no change in velocity. Velocity remain constant. At that time, acceleration is said to be zero acceleration. Now, what is definition of acceleration? When rate of change of velocity with respect to time. That symbol of acceleration is A. Now what is the formula of acceleration? In change in velocity with respect to time. We can show that v minus u divided by t. Now what is v, u and t? Here v stand for final velocity, u stand for initial velocity and t for time. So what is SI unit of acceleration? We all know that the SI unit of velocity is meter per second and SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Now we all know that the acceleration is vector quantity. Why? Because in acceleration there is magnitude as well as direction, because that it is a vector quantity. So we take one example that how to calculate acceleration. In this example, a toy car accelerates from 3 meter second inverse to 5 meter second inverse. Here is toy car. U is its initial position and V is its final position. In this, initial velocity of car is 3 meter second inverse and final velocity of car is 5 meter second inverse. That is u equals to 3 meter second inverse and final velocity is v equals to 5 meter second inverse. Car took 5 seconds to reach from initial position to final position. That is time equals to 5 seconds. Now we know that the formula of acceleration, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. The final velocity of car is 5 meter second inverse here and initial velocity of car is 3 meter second inverse. When we subtract 5 from 3, that is 2 meter second inverse and divide by 5 seconds. Now how this quantity come? Here in numerator we have meter second inverse and denominator is second. This second has power 1. If we can carry this second in numerator, that is like this. Now we know that if two term is in multiply and same, power will add, that is meter second inverse square. And when we divide 2 by 5, our answer is 0.4, that is 0.4 meter second inverse square, that is this meter second inverse square is the SI unit of acceleration.